The gate of mountain mecsek. Perfect weather, at least 26 degrees, sweating all over, and this is 5 o'clock. So now the cars left, now so nice and quiet. Hello, mountain mecsek. We're here again. How you do? Mountain, mountain, mountain. Go tell it to the mountain. We have deers here, so prepare. That's okay. There is a cake shop downstairs on the way back. A special cake shop. Cakes with no other sugar, which is an interesting trend. We have here in Hungary Cake of the Year competition, and every single year they choose two. One is like a normal one, what you would expect, and the other one is without added sugar. So basically they use fruits to sweeten the thing up. It says Leslie's Rest. That's it. So if you are Leslie, you can rest here. If you are not Leslie, then you're not resting here. We need to be careful with the sun because it's already past 5 o'clock. It's almost 6 o'clock and the sunset is 8. You don't want the night to find you in the forest, because on Saturday when I had my high school friends here with their children, middle of the night we went up, we took a car, we went up to the TV tower and we saw a deer. It was a quiet huge deer. He was not caught in the... Excellent. So there is two ways to go up to the top of the mountain. One, it takes literally 5 minutes, and this is the longer one. So now we're taking the longer route. Why not? And before this, we went to the monastery. There is a very special monastery here. The order is like 1,000 years old. Okay, let's say 700 from the medieval times. It was banned in the time of the communists, and they could return in the 90s. So we went there, and I think we were there in the monastery 5:47, and they already had something going on, a mass, which was supposed to start at 6, but 5:47 they were already at it. Okay, so we were there for a minute, we didn't want to disturb, and then we left. We were not the only ones. A homeless guy joined after us, so it was okay. And anyway, they left the door open, meaning that they are welcoming strangers. Okay. Well, yes, I remember now. I remember the expression, American expression. It says, "Deer caught in the headlight." That is the expression. This is the symbol we follow the yellow triangle, and that's the way. That's the way I like it. Whew. Welcome to Pécs, south of Hungary. P like Peter, A, Ch like as in Charles, Pécs, town of Pécs. And we need to look for the symbol. Wait. Okay, we stopped for a second because we were looking for the yellow triangle. Yeah, it's right there. Okay, we're stopping for water break. In case anyone wants to know who is with me, I revealed their identity for £7. Okay. Very important, it just came up when we were talking and had pre-drinks for this forest party. So whenever you're in Hungary and you are booking a hotel, I know in every other countries it's a big deal what time you actually moving in to the hotel room, and when you're leaving, usually it's varies. It could be 12 o'clock, it could be 12 o'clock. Look, that's green, that's not for us. We have the triangle, we either going that way, but if we're going home, but we're not going home. And that one is the TV tower. Okay, back to it. And I know that some hotels, they charge if you want to move into the room earlier or you want to check out later. But in Hungary, they don't care. It's not a big deal, but it's obviously better if you communicate with them. Like in the morning, when I heard the housekeeping coming, I opened the door. I said good morning to them, and I told them that we're moving out of the hotel room at I don't remember now. I think it was like 9 instead of the 12 o'clock. So they made a note of it, and that's it. You know, it doesn't take much to make other people's lives easier. I'm very I'm breathless, I'm sweating, almost 30 degrees. Imagine if we come here at noon, but at least I can see something on the horizon. Yes, on the horizon you can see the TV tower. Yeah, so we are heading the right way. What we had pre-drinks. I remember when I was working in the movie studio, we had a birthday party, and it was on Friday, and I had a workout scheduled as well, and I didn't want to cancel any of that. So what I did, I went for the party, I showed myself, big hug for everyone, had a drink, I had a couple, and then I went to do my workout. Oh my god, I almost fainted. Oh, very bad memory. And now the same thing, we had the pre-drink, and now we're walking up the mountain. It's not something I would suggest to anyone. I came here to Pécs, to south of Hungary. I moved here from London, England, to join forces with other guys to start something that is not a web shop, but a website, a digital experience, and why not? leap of faith. Sometimes you need to do that. Deer caught in the headlight. Wow, I didn't remember that. But then, when our feet touched the road, I remember that expression straight away. I used to go to the US every year, lots of road trips, lots of talks. Okay? It says tourist place of rest. You can rest here. Good. But we are not that kind. Look, everyone else is already a miles away. Mountain mecsek, look at the trees. Feel the love. It's very strange, you know. We are almost there and we haven't met anyone at all. Probably because it's Monday. You hear this? This is the zoo. The Page Zoo is here. Oh yes, yes. Tell it to the mountain. Okay. Back to me. My favorite topic, me. Okay, leap of faith. I came here, rented a flat, and the flat came without internet. I didn't know there is a place on this planet without internet. My God, in the beginning I couldn't sleep. I was missing the digital noise so much. Look, we are talking about leap of faith. Look who appeared. And that is probably the zoo. Look, the symbol. The symbol is here, the yellow triangle. If you're watching this and you're walking exactly the same path, you're in the right path. So look, the symbol. Oh good. I had a friend, we were sharing a flat, not a flat but a room, we shared a room, and he moved to France for 1.5 years just to paint trees. He was painting this kind of symbols. It went all quiet. Probably they sense our presence. We should have brought some food. No, I'm joking. Don't bring any food. To be continued.